Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today we're going to do some new Lego dots, and this one is sparkly unicorns. Now we're going to do sparkly unicorn. So first we're going to get the bracelet out, and this one is purple. There's our bracelet. Now we're going to go and get our pieces and tip them all out. And this one is called like a purple. You've got a silver, unicorns, her hair, and a black one, and sparkles. First, I'm going to do a nice unicorn. I'm going to put it at the top. And I'm also going to do her hair. Then I'm going to use a silver one. Then I'm going to do another unicorn. Now I'm going to try it on.